Our video is going to discuss making glue line rips with 10-inch blades on your table saw. These are CMT blades. This one is a ripping blade, 24 teeth. And it has, they say it's a flat top, but it's a modified triple chip. Acceptable glue line rips, I'm going to say no, with this exception. You don't want to use it on fine furniture and cabinetry, I'd say that. But let's just say you're doing lawn furniture or some of this household furniture that they're building out of construction 2x4s and things like that. That'll make an acceptable glue line rip for that. That's just great. But fine furniture, no. I'm saying this is not, in most cases, not going to work out with a glue line rip. You'll always be able to see the saw curve with this blade. So let's rule this one out. It's a ripping blade only. Now these other two, these are called general purpose blades. They are not advertised as a glue line rip, but in my opinion, both of these are acceptable glue line rip. This is general purpose one here, 40 tooth, and it's got an alternating bevel in it, and a really steep one. They call it a high ATB. This blade is nearly identical, general purpose blade with alternating ATB alternating bevel on the blade. I believe these are both produce acceptable glue line rips for fine furniture and cabinetry. So we're going to take a quick look. We're going to run some stuff through the saw. I'm going to start out with this ripping blade just because that's what I got in the saw. And then you're going to get to see me use this push stick that I cobbled up. I got the idea off the internet. I get everything off the internet. In this section of the video, I'm going to demonstrate that the 24 tooth ripping blade, the one I say is not going to produce a good quality glue line rip in your hardwoods and for fine furniture and cabinetry. But it'll work great like with lawn furniture and some of the household stuff that they're putting together today. That it's good enough for that. This is going to look a little scary, so I'm going to tell you ahead of time. I'm ripping 3/8 inch strips. And so what I've done is I have this sliding bar on my fence. I'm going to pull it back to here. And so when I do the rip, my 3/8 inch strip will tip over here behind this. It can't kick back. And then I'll cut my second strip and so on. While it appears sort of unsafe, it really is pretty safe the way I'm doing this. And I'll be using the push stick, of course. So let me get my my stuff here and get this on, and we'll make a couple of rips. So this is 2 rips out of green treated lumber. It really looks nice. But I'll tell you what, it ain't going to look nice if I rip hardwood lumber with it. You can barely see the saw curve in these cuts. So pretty nice. But I'm still not going to say it's acceptable for the cabinet industry. These pieces turned out so incredibly nice that I decided I got to try it on a piece of hardwood. This is rubber wood. It's harder than cherry. It's harder than soft maple. It's softer than red oak. I'm going to rip this. Let's just take a look at the cut. It's pretty good, but the saw curve is there. I know you can't see it. I'm still saying not an acceptable rip for glue line, but I'd use it. Okay, so this is oak, and I'm going to give that a try. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you here. This turned out pretty nice. I don't know. So that ripping blade, it's a pretty nice cut. I don't know. It's pretty good. I'd use it. Well, there you are. That's a 24 tooth ripping blade, not designed for glue line rips, which it just did. So there you are. I'm going to cut the video short here and just have this be one video. And then I'm going to go back and do those general purpose blades. Man, this was a nice, I surprised myself. Man, that's a nice cut. Oh, well, here's some saw kerf right here. I can actually see it. Well, I wish my brother-in-law Dale was here. He does some really nice stuff. I'd like to get his opinion. Man, this is nice. You know, if you like this video, do that some thumbs up thing, and let's see, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.